welcome to the third episode of Design Vignettes with Reminiscent. When Praful Bhaskaran and his family came to us, they knew exactly what they wanted: a holiday home with luxe interiors and a getaway vibe. To convert this cozy 1 BHK apartment into a cove of rest and relaxation, our design team has opted for subtle colors and textures, keeping the interiors bright, spacious and airy. The living room spells style and comfort at the same time and is defined by the classic wood and white color combination. The TV unit stands out in stone textured laminate and is complemented by this feature wall completed in MDF brick cladding. Compact space-saving furniture pieces like this convertible sofa bed have been used to keep the space functional and spacious. The puja unit, completed in wood, blends in with the contemporary design of the room and also has additional storage space. The wooden rafters as well as the accent light add some character and charm to the unit. The kitchen also reflects the wood and white theme and fits in with the overall decor of the home. These cabinets have been completed in a high-gloss laminate finish, which is known for its easy-to-maintain quality. Strip lights have been added to provide light on the countertop, and we have also added a compact storage unit which can be used to display crockery and cutlery. The bedroom has been designed to bring in ample natural light, keeping the space fresh and bright. We have used splashes of grey for the wardrobe and study unit to add a pop of color to the room. The striking back panel has been designed using wooden rafters, and a sleek ledge has also been added for displaying artifacts and curios. Minimizing clutter is crucial to evoking a relaxing mood in any space. To keep the bedroom of this lovely home clutter-free, we have designed a bed with inbuilt storage as well as a nightstand. A wardrobe with a dressing unit as well as overhead storage has been designed in slate grey and white matte finish laminate. The study unit is simple yet stylish, featuring a sleek work table and sufficient storage space. The balcony of this house is a pleasing nook with a beautiful view, and we have added a turf mat for comfortable underfoot cushioning. We have styled the bathroom to go with the luxe vibe of the house. The mirror comes with inbuilt storage and strip lights, and a vanity counter has also been added below the wash basin. These ledges can be used to store toiletries and grooming products, and a glass partition has also been added to separate the wet and dry areas. A family passionate about art and travel, our client was keen on adorning the living room wall with this beautiful painting. The false ceiling has been kept simple yet elegant, and the soft lighting enhances the laid-back ambience of this charming holiday home. So we've come to the end of our tour of Praful Bhaskaran's lovely holiday home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this episode of Design Vignettes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.